Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about this product. This video is not for unboxing, but yes, this is for unboxing and why I have purchased this one. So before starting this video, I am not native English speaking. This video for targeting international viewer, so I am speaking English. So let's start. So this is a product from Samsung, and recently if you visit the website, the Samsung, if you buy the Samsung product, the charger doesn't comes along with this product, any kind of smartphone so you would purchase these chargers separately from website, but I have purchased this product from amazon.in in India website. So you can purchase it from amazon.com. So in the official website, this product, the price of this product around 1699 Indian rupees, INR rupees, and I have purchased rupees 700 INR 700. The printed price 1699, but I have seen on Samsung official website the decent price. This today to the time and date 17 July 2006. In this time, this product price was around 2000 rupees. So I want to share you this product. So I wanna open this product, and this phone, when I purchase this phone, this cable, you can get this cable, but this product hasn't any charger. Okay, so I would purchase it separately. If I open this box, this is a C type USB, not A type, not B type, C type. It's like a Apple iPhone type. This is a box, a small tiny box, and what printed on here, validated UL, and this box has one charger, Samsung printed this side, low standby, and super fast charging. You can see here the glossy effect in here, super fast charger. This pin is specially designed for India. This is not European style, this is Indian style. And this is 25 watt. I think yes, this is 25 watt. I don't buy the 75 watt or 55 watt or 35 watt. 25 watt is good for this 5000 mAh. This phone battery. This phone battery is, you can see here, this phone Galaxy 570e 5G. This phone has 6000 mAh 25 watt. You can see here printed 25 watt. So you should buy the 25 watt charger, but not exceed the 25 watt. So you can see here the 25 watt power adapter, and this packet has a 25 watt. Don't buy it above 25 or around 35, 75. It is damaged, or it may be damage your battery quickly, or not extend your battery life. So this is power cable, one side, this side, attach this head, okay, and put it in power socket. So in another side, this side for mobile phone C power point. So I have opened this one, and this very short video I have unboxing and told you about the pricing and from where you can buy, from Amazon or online shopping. If you want to buy from official website, you pay more for this product. So or you can buy this product from the offline local market or Samsung outlet. So this was my video that I have talked about this Samsung 25-watt charger. So thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new product review. Bye bye.